You
pieces
can
are.
say that again for sure because for whatever I've been lucky enough to get in my life, I think I think that adds to the craziness. That makes it even more difficult. It doesn't actually help in getting you closer to being peaceful.
But do you think you are one of the more peaceful people from the industry?
You see, none of us would really know because peace is an inside job. You know, it's like I really don't know if you're peaceful or
But
not.
but you are a very good reader of vibes.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I know that you know that as well. So
Yeah, I mean, it's really not that hard. I think the moment you drop, you know what happens is, Ranveer, even when I'm doing an interview with you, I can have my guards up. It's very easy.
do you have your
I'm
guard
an
up right
actor.
now?
You think so?
Yeah, a little bit.
Really?
Yeah.
यार फिर तो पता
Because
नहीं.
even I can read vibes.
Is it? No, but actually, I personally think I don't have my guards up anymore. And that is because I don't really feel there's, maybe it's the lockdown. I don't know. It's just been such a reality check of what we actually need in our lives and how many things we actually have and the pace of life that I don't know about you, but I've lived a very crazy pace where I'm trying to do 10 things in a day. Like today I'm only doing an interview with you, but say if this was pre-COVID, I would have had your interview and some 10 other things to do. I'm like, I can't even peacefully do Ranveer's interview because I'm just doing so many things, and I had gotten used to living like that.
What are you working towards?
I feel like the lockdown was a big, made me realize that I sleep well when I have a good day at work. So I think now I'm looking at each day. I'm not really looking at 10 years down the line. I don't understand only this 10 years के बाद आप कहाँ होंगे. इंसान अगर जिंदा होगा तो मतलब फिर देखा जाएगा kind of situation. But having said that, for me now, every day is important. Like I want to be aware of every day. Like I want to be with, say if I'm with you, I want to be with you. I don't want to be like thinking about अरे मेरा life में ये problem चल रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. I want to be with you and I want to, like, whatever. It's the exchange of ideas or thoughts or whatever we are doing. At least do that, in all honesty.
Do you ever think about and the only reason I'm asking you this is because a lot of my friends, the women who are like around my age,
How
suddenly
old are you?
I'm 27.
I'm 30.